Hey, what's up everybody? It's DJ Jer here with Shop Time, giving you a brand new product release. This is the Freedom Centerpiece. I know this looks crazy, but this thing is obviously, it's as big as my head. But the reason I bring that up is because what this piece is for is so many times we pin spot or we spotlight tables, and then you have the shadowing underneath the actual centerpiece or the floral that it's not getting illuminated. So what this is going to allow you to do is create some of that, the uplight underneath your centerpieces. Cool thing about this, water does spill on it or anything like that, it's gonna be just fine, as well as a 25-pound shockproof or weight limit on this unit. So most of your centerpieces aren't probably gonna exceed that, but this will give you enough pressure or enough strength to apply that pressure on there without this thing cracking or breaking. So if it drops, again, if anything drops, there's always a possibility it will break. So just don't drop the fixtures. It does use an IRC remote. It has 2 sensors, so it allows you to kind of have some flexibility. You can control this fixture completely with the IRC remote. But the things I'm going to show you here is I'm going to turn the fixture off, and I'm going to show you what these rings all include. So the outer ring that you see here is warm white and cool white, or warm white and white. And that's going to allow you to create some different color variations on the outside ring. The ones that you see here are going to be white, red, green, and blue. Same thing here, red, white, green, and blue. So you're probably asking, why would they do red, green, blue, white in the center and then just do whites on the outside? So here's the reasoning. When you have a vase, you want to illuminate the vase, which is going to be all focused right here. Now, you don't want, so if you're, say you're doing purple and you're lighting up the inside of the vase with purple, you're going to create a nice purple effect on that centerpiece, not the floral. Brides don't want their flowers to turn colors. They want their flowers to be the natural color because that's why they pick those colors. So that's why this outer ring is going to basically spread the light to anything over the top of that vase that's overflowing. So all of your centerpieces and your floral that isn't part of the vase or part of the cylinder is going to illuminate in that white, which is going to make those flowers look natural. Now, if you pin spot from the top, you're now creating a full illumination of that centerpiece from the top and the bottom. So a really cool effect, really cool features here. You can actually go in and on the back, you click on you turn the fixture on, and it allows you to control each individual ring. So you have the outer ring, which is going to be your warm whites and cool whites. Then you have this purple, and then on the inside you have purple as well. You can go in and you can change each individual ring. So for instance, if I'm going to go into a fixed color, oh, that's the auto show. So probably not auto show for centerpieces. It does have sound active as well, which is pretty cool. All right, so here we go. Going into static color. And now I can go into fixed colors, and I can change just ring 3 to warm white or to cool white or to both. So you have a couple different options for color temperature. Ring 1 is going to be the inside. I can change exactly what I want that to look like. And again, when you have submersible flowers inside a cylinder and you have so much stuff going on inside, and then you have something on the outside, you can really